Lego Adventures. It was just my birthday, so we gotta build another Lego set. Alright, so let's get to unboxing, and then we'll start building it, which, alright. Also, anyways, you should probably not dare to leave me in one video myself, which might be a bad idea.
Excuse me?
It might be a bad idea to actually just let me film myself, so.
Well, I'm nearby helping.
No, this is a part I need right now. This is probably going to be a weird motorcycle. To start off, it's pretty weird. I have a problem. Well, actually, maybe I don't. Check the alignment because they're going in a certain way. It's correct.
What stickers do you need?
Nothing.
What stickers do you need?
Oh, I need the skull.
That's really weird how that builds.
Well, it's just the motorcycle anyways.
Yeah.
That piece. So that's
You
why
need the
it's
sticker
weird.
on the other side too. You're missing a sticker
Oh, you do?
on both sides. Look.
It says number 9 and number 11. Oh, tell me that they're both. Makes sense now.
Talk to the camera more and tell them about what you're doing.
Okay, so I'm making the motorcycle right now, which for now it seems pretty interesting. So once we're done doing this, we might as well start to getting to do the truck or the trailer. Hey, I need to put the tires on now, so I need it back. Well, not exactly.
It's Reese.
You have anything to say to your fans? That's really funny, but it falls off. Look, I want to show you this tire. It's really funny. So watch my pull back. Oh, it's still going.
Well, finish building it so it doesn't fall apart.
What's so funny?
Mhm.
I just want to show you. This falls
It
on
just flips itself over.
immediately. It's way too fast for itself. Needs to be a little slower. Just kidding. I love it already. Mm. Mm. Let's see. Now let's see it. It won't move. Now it's a little bit slower, so that's good. Well, nah. Hey, give me it. Give me it.
Racy wanted to look at
I see, give it back to me. You see?
Can you go back to the previous step?
Why?
Just looking at something. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You need one more. Hey, one more.
The motorbike still isn't finished.
What are we missing?
These side pieces.
Ah, look over there. Side assemblies. Which sticker do you need first? Oh, first you gotta build that part.
This thing moved around, so it'll be hard. Wrong one. I got the right one, but the wrong side one.
And you got that one. You can work with two for you two.
We finished the motorcycle. That's good news. And look how fast it is. I'm not going to let it hit the camera. I turned it away from the camera some, but not much. So you guys could see it better. Now,